Okay, you guys. Baby's knocked out. 6:58, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Let me take my glasses up because I feel it's rude. We just behind over there, you guys, is the beach, Huntington Beach. It's crowded. They have an event, and it's just crowded. That's a little thing. So. Let me flip you. Hold on one second. Gorgeous, you guys. Look at
Pacific Ocean.
that sun. It is gorgeous, you guys. Look at So we're just gonna keep going further down that way to Seal Beach. Hopefully, you guys, cross your fingers. There's not that many people. It just makes scary and I feel uncomfortable. I mean, Gary and I can handle it because we can wear a mask, but we do have little Emily. We want her to be free and have fun, and I'm not going to risk my granddaughter getting sick. There was too many people, you guys. Too many people. Too many people, you guys, with no masks. Maybe 2 or 3 out of how many? 50, 60 people walking the streets. And so we're just gonna go further down, you guys. So I don't want to kill you guys with that time. But that's how it's right now, you guys, and that's 7 o'clock. It's 7.
There's all the ships waiting to be unloaded, the oil derricks out in Long Beach off in that area.
Look at you guys. Isn't that gorgeous?
Look at all the ships waiting to be offloaded.
Sorry, you guys. Here, let me see if I can pull you off. Okay, you guys, hold on. I'm gonna pull you off. I'm gonna pull you off. There you guys go. I don't know how much clear you guys are getting off that. I'm trying to help you guys out. Hold on. Ooh, let me give you a little bit of shade. You guys got shade? There you go. Giving you shade. I'll give you guys some shade, but look at. You guys are gonna get some air because I want you to see real nice. Can you go a little bit down? Oh, see, now I was going to give you scenery and we get sand. Oh, there we go.
You'll get it here in just a second again.
Okay, perfect. Right. I'm going to lean here against. Look at all those cars, you guys. But finally, I made it to, look at you guys, it's full of people. This, you guys, right here, Mr. Gary says it's a wildlife preserve. Bolsa Chica. Wildlife preserve, so that's what it is, right there. Hold on, you guys, give me 1 sec, guys, we're back. Baby's falling asleep. She's tired. I'm glad we didn't come earlier because we were gonna leave earlier, you guys, but stuff happens and we were out. We had a great weekend. Did you? Let's talk to Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, did you have a good weekend?
I had a great weekend. I haven't relaxed like this in years. Just turned my phone off. Didn't let anything bug me. The guy that called me just a few, or was texting me, I told him I'm with my family. Don't text me anymore.
Yeah, Mr. Gary said, don't call me, I'm with my family. Ooh-cha. But this is where we're at, 7:05.
Beaches are packed.
wildlife. This is still wildlife, right,
Yep.
babe?
Mhm.
It's still wildlife, you guys.
Well, there's nothing built out there.
Yes. So we wanted to take some footage for you guys, but look at, sorry guys.
Certain circumstances, this roadway gets covered with that water.
Oh yeah, when it used to rain. I'm surprised, you guys, that we still have that much water right now.
Well,
in
that's
there.
connected to the ocean. That's salt water. That's
Okay.
not a lake. That's salt water.
Okay, that's salt water, you guys.
Yeah, that rises and lowers with the tides. But under certain storm conditions, that will raise up and it'll cover this road.
Yes, you guys, this is beautiful beach area out here. I'm just happy I'm here, you guys, because with everything you guys have seen, I've been trying to get out here to the beach for like, for a long time. I miss it, you guys, but I thank you guys. Let me roll this up. I don't want to bore you too much, so we'll be back in 2. Okay, you guys, look at she's sleeping. She's tired. She's had fun. We've had fun all weekend with her. Ooh, child, I need to tell you stuff. Like her, don't play. Her last night was not going to sleep. She kept, because we slept on the, we got to Chris and her new couches and we slept on them. So nice. She kept coming out of the room, you guys. And she was tiptoeing. She waited for her parents to go sleep. So she tiptoed. She peeks through the couch. She goes, "You thirsty, Grandma?" I said, "No." And she said, "Went and got a little glass and put water in it." She goes, "Here, Grandma, you're thirsty." I said, "Girl, you better go. Girl, you better go and lay down in your bed." Oh, child, she was not trying to go to sleep last night. We were tired. Mr. Gary rested. She was tired. My beautiful baby. Oh my God. And we'll talk to her later because, oh child, this girl talks like she's grown. And then, so yeah. So we're just trying to get down further, you guys, into see. Okay, you guys. Here's one of our naval ships. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see it.
See the top of it right now.
Right there. Do you see that? Our windows are dirty, babe. Turn it. Right there, guys. Oh, I miss my Navy days, you guys. Look at that ship. It's a city within a city, you guys. Child, I love it. There we go, you guys. You guys see that? Oh, child, I miss it. Hoorah to my shipmates. Love you. Godspeed. Be safe. Yes. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Oh, yeah. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful ship. Godspeed to all my shipmates. Godspeed. Yeah, it is. Okay, let me turn this camera up because I ain't trying to get nobody's license. So look at you guys. Those ones to see our palm trees. These are the houses you guys out here in Salem. This is not the nicest area. Like, what part of, look at these houses. Look at these beach houses, you guys. I love them, you guys. The only thing is, look at how close they are to each other. Like, see the buildings, how close they are to each other. Like, that's too close for me. Ooh, child. Me and Gary used to run these streets and we were bad. Remember, Gary?
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys hear him? He's like, mm-hmm. Ooh-cha, ooh-cha. Especially this street right here, you guys. Remember, babe?
Mm-hmm.
You guys hear him? He's like, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Use your imaginations, people. Mm-hmm. It's not that kind of channel. I love my Mr. Gary. Okay, you guys, let us navigate. We're gonna reminisce. We'll see you guys in 2. Okay, you guys, we're here. We're here. Mr. Gary's gonna get my walk. We're going to go to the pier over there. 7:19. Hi, sweetie. Are you awake now? Yeah? What's your shoe shaking? Oh, she takes naps. But we're here, you guys. We're here. There's not that many people here. That's a lot of sand, yeah. Look at it. I gotta take pictures of these people. And you guys, there's not as many people here. We're gonna take a little walk. So, we'll take a little walk, you guys. Look at how gorgeous the sun is. Hold on, because this lady is not. Look at how nice it is. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get my walker, and I'll see you guys. Do you like the beach, Mama? We're here, you guys, but we had technical difficulties. I was gonna sit and wait for them. Yes, Mama. Yes. And this came off, so we're wondering how we can este. But we'll see right now, you guys. So Gary's trying to fix it. Say hi, babe. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
So baby's over here. Papa's gonna take you to the water right now, baby. Okay? She's having fun, you guys. So we're here. There's not that many people. But she wanted to do the sand first. I won't be able to make it. It's way too far from me over there. So I'm not gonna make it. So they're gonna go walk over there. And then they'll be back. So as soon as my papa can arrange something for me to sit on, then we're good. Oh, look at that sun, you guys. Look, California, yay. Look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, you guys, so we'll see you. Okay, we'll see you in 2. In 2, you guys. She ate sand. Okay, you guys, let me help my baby. She ate sand. I'll see you guys in 2.
Okay, mamas, let's go out to the water. Come on. Come here. Here, hold my hand. See the water? See the water? That's the Pacific Ocean, mamas. That's the Pacific Ocean. Say hello to everybody on the video. You want to step in it? Not throw, no, come back, come back. Okay. Here, hold my hand. You got sand all in your hair.
Papa, can I stand it?
Yeah?
Papa, can I
Huh?
stand it?
You like that? There's the pier all over there. You ready to go back to Grammy? Okay, let's go back to Grammy. Okay? Let's go back to Grammy.
Look at you guys. She's doing a sand angel. Sand angel. Pretty baby. We're at the beach. She didn't want to go to the pier. She wants sand. So oh, look at her pretty angel, you guys. Her sand angel. Oh, come see your sand angel. Come here. Don't touch. Come. Yeah. Give me your hand. You see your sand angel? Look at. See in the camera? Look at. See your sand angel? Your wings and your feet?
Yeah.
Sand angel. Oh, look at her doing sand angels. We made it, you guys. She doesn't want to walk at the pier, so she wants to play. Her and Gary went over there, and then they came back. Look at that beautiful sunset. Mr. Gary's right there, working. So, look at you guys. And let me see if I can bring you guys closer to... Is that Long Beach or is that Catalina Bay?
That's all Long Beach over there.
That's Long Beach, you guys. So we made it. So yeah, there's a lot of people. There's the pier. It's fresh. Nice. I'm a little bit sad we couldn't make it to Honey too. But we're here, guys. We made it. I made it finally too.